Alright guys, hopefully you can hear this. Mr. Adam Jabay is doing his driver's meeting, but welcome to the official opening of Gridlife Atlanta. Pretty pumped. The sunlight is beautiful, so I'm gonna go get some shots of some cars. I'm gonna take a look around, see what's here, see if we know anybody, and go from there. Hi Nate. There's no coffee.
There's coffee.
Where's it? Garrett's here, finally. How many hours total?
Total hours, I think 58.
58 hours?
Yeah, I think that's what the truck says.
So a week and a bit.
Actually, sorry, I think the truck said it's been running for 70 something hours in total. I don't know, it's not all driving though.
That's insane.
But yeah, it's a long hike. 5,700 kilometers to the national speed and another 600 and change to here.
Did you do any filming of the tune?
I got a couple clips, nothing really like useful because the car kept having problems. I'm just like, eh.
Well, we'll cut to dyno. Hopefully I cut to dyno pull footage.
Well, when have you ever done that?
I've started doing it now. I always forget.
Cut to the footage, and now we're back to me.
I've done it recently. I'm getting better. Rockstar should be somewhere around here. There we go.
Yeah.
So it made 499.93.
Yeah. Just under 500. He said if I could have got it to rev out, or was supposed to rev out, it would have made at least 630, 640.
That's crazy. So what's the plan then?
I'm gonna try a new cam sensor. I want to try a stock OEM like Toyota brand one.
Nice.
Yeah, because the Hall effect sensor's just giving me shit, and Peter has switched back to stock on his car, and it revs to 9,000 no problem. So
that's crazy. All right, track's gone cold for a little bit. Hopefully the wind noise isn't terrible. Just gonna maybe walk around a little, see if we can see anybody we know. Go from there. See who else we see. Oh, slow motion. Yes. Oh, 60 frames a second. There it is.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh, man. Oh, you're gonna need a napkin after that one, folks. I always love walking around the pits here. Every time I do a lap, I see somebody else that I know or meet somebody, so it's always a good time. But I should get back to work. There's lots of shit to film. There's 2 drift sessions coming up back to back. So go have some fun. So when you do, what's up? When you do media, you start to meet other media people. So channel?
Oh, I'm Daily Driver Media. I'm Nate Spencer, and I'm out here shooting for Nexon this weekend, having a good time. But I mean, I've only been shooting for probably like 3 years now, and I'm up here shooting big guns.
Yeah. Holy shit, it's loud. All right, so we're gonna go head up to our first drift session. Got Chris taking us for a ride. You guys need an ECU, Alltech? I'll put his email here and you can spam him. All right, we're here at one of my favorite shooting locations on this track. You can see just how the elevation changes, and just an awesome spot. Like we're gonna go up for another drift session. I think Nate and I are gonna go stand at the top of the keyhole. You can get some really cool action shots up there, maybe a shorter lens, which would be nice. And yeah, pretty excited. Fuck, it's nice to be back. Love it.
You know you make me smile, oh yeah. You know you make me smile, oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you, smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone.
all done shooting for the day. Well, shooting, drifting. We now get to hike up this gigantic hill, get back to the fiesta, and then get into the fun part of the evening. But stick around, it's the best part yet to come. Touch your butt. Woo! That made it too. All right, we are gonna head up to the concert.
It's a long drive.
I struggled with my computer for a little bit. I didn't put that on film because it was just me being angry, but everybody's here. So we will, you're being a dick. Fuck you. He's just got his wallet. We're gonna go up check out the concert and see what kind of shit's going on tonight. Guys, we just finished watching the Crispy video from Gridlife Midwest. It was really, really cool. Actually in it, very, very small amount, but make sure to go check that out. I think that's pretty much us for the night though. We kind of played it easy. The concert was kind of neat. Not really my scene in particular, but it was fun. Tomorrow though, that's when things get rowdy. We've got a couple of cool things planned, so pretty stoked. But thank you again for watching. Make sure to click the videos in the corners and all that stuff. New videos out Monday and Friday, podcast out every Wednesday, and we will catch you next time.